What's up guys? Photos of iPhone 14 dummies are already making the rounds. Last week we saw bags of the 4 models, 2 small and 2 big, 2 vanilla and the 2 Pro, but now it's time to have a closer look at the back of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This appears to be iPhone 14 Pro Max judging by the size of camera bump relative to the rest of the body. Again, I am more interested in what is on the front and what isn't. The notch is going away with this generation of iPhone 14 Pro models, but will remain for a year longer on the vanilla pair. It will be replaced by a split punch hole, the so-called pill and the hole design. The wider element is the Face ID system, which needs an IR illuminator and an IR camera, and other is the new FaceTime camera with autofocus allegedly. The divide between Pros and vanilla iPhones will be bigger than ever this year. Not only do the Pros have exclusivity on the telephoto camera, they will also be the only ones with a 48 megapixel main camera and only ones to upgrade to the Apple A16 chipset. The vanilla models will stick to 12 megapixel rear cameras and the A15 chipset, according to the analyst predictions. The vanilla models are also not getting the new pill and the hole shape design on the front. Whether their displays have 120Hz refresh rate remains a matter of some debate, leaning towards no. The iPhone 15 vanilla models will adopt the pill and the hole design according to the forecast. Future iPhones are expected to start moving some of the hardware behind the screen, which may start as soon as 2024. Of course, long-term predictions are not very accurate or even possible, considering that Apple is still testing what works and what doesn't. So, let's see what happens in the future. That's it for today. Now, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.